a storm rolls across the plains, blinding sun washing out the pains. I ride through it, chasing fate, through every mile, through every gate. Dust storm over destiny, carrying dreams no one can see. Through the blinding wind, I make my way, hoping tomorrow brings a brighter day. Canyons crumble, rivers run dry, but I won't stop, I won't ask why. Her face is gone, but her memory stays, guiding me through the western maze. Every gust reminds me of the past. Every mile I ride, nothing can last. But in the storm, I find my peace. And in the wind, my soul's release.